guys, welcome back to my channel and it's a brand new video. We all like to party and party means makeup. As beginners, eyeshadow palettes look very confusing and we really don't know what and how to do with them. So finally we resort to our good old red lipstick and a plain liner look. I will tell you how to get that amazing party eyes, and trust me, you will rock the party. I will teach you to do a smoky eye look, and it's beginner friendly and it's very easy. You don't need too many brushes, you don't need too many eyeshadows. It's quick and really easy, trust me. So we would begin with some loose powder. We would just brush the lid with the loose powder for a smooth canvas so that the eyeshadows blend really well. The next step is to apply a scotch tape at the outer corner of your eye like this. It prevents your eyeshadow from being messy and it gives a good shape to your eye. Next up, I'm using the Nykaa I Am Bold Kajal, which is creamy and jet black. I'm putting it on my lid. I'm just normally putting it without any shape or anything, but don't go too inside because we need to leave some space there later. Next up, I'm taking the Color Bar Smudger brush to smudge the kohl. Don't be too worried about the shape of the shadow outside because the scotch tape will take care of that. Just ensure that you smudge the kohl evenly on the lid. That's how your blended kohl should look like. Please do not take any kohl into your crease area because you need to keep it free for the transition shade. Next up, I'm taking this light brown eyeshadow as my transition color into a fluffy blending brush. Blending is the key to a good smoky eye, guys, so ensure you blend the crease very well. Do not start to worry, guys, if you do not have a good black eyeshadow. We can work that out. You need to take a dark chocolate brown color and it would work as good as a black eyeshadow. So I'm taking that dark chocolate brown color from my MAC eyeshadow palette on a flat brush. I'm just packing that color onto my lid for the maximum intensity that I get, and I'm applying it right over the kohl which we had smudged initially. Now I'm taking the same fluffy blending brush without any excess eyeshadow. I'm just again blending the dark shadow and the light shadow together. I'm repeating myself, guys, that blending is the key for a good smoky eye look. So blend. You would know that your eyeshadow is blended when you don't see any harsh lines on your eye and the two colors are nicely blended and you can see the gradient. Here I'm removing my scotch tape and you can see, guys, it has such a nice shape. My right eye is done now, so I'll just do some liner and mascara and I'll be right back after completing the other eye. So guys, both my eyes are done. Now I'll tell you what to do with your lower lash line because you can't keep your lower lash line bare. The eye look won't be complete without that. So I'll just show it to you. So I'm applying the same Nykaa I Am Bold Kajal in the outer corner of my lower lash line. I'm taking the same Color Bar Smudger brush and the same dark brown eyeshadow from my MAC palette, and I'll use that to smudge the lower lash line. I'm smudging it in the outer corner and joining it with the shadow line in the upper lash line. And our eyes are done. Next I'm taking this shimmery champagne shadow and putting it in the inner corners of the eye, because there's so much of dark eyeshadow going around, your eyes might look dull, so you need to brighten it up with the shadow. Once the smoky eye is done, you can use any lip color of your choice. I'm showing you two lip options. The first one is a classic glossy nude lip which you can pair with your smoky eye anytime. The next one is the bold matte red lip, because nobody said that you can't wear bold lip with smoky eyes. Hope you liked the look, guys. And if you did, next time you have a party or a special occasion, do not hesitate to rock that smoky eye. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video.